What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. We're going to be doing a breakdown of US30 and Gold just as usual. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. First things first, we're going to go break down US30 today. We're going to look at our weekly real fast. Let's go ahead and see how this closed. Matter of fact, let's go to our monthly real quick, see how our monthly is closing. Oh my gosh, we're actually towards a bearish engulfment on the monthly. That's actually pretty wild. That hasn't happened in a very long time since we had this bullish engulfment. So that's actually pretty interesting. Let's go down to our weekly real quick. Weekly, ooh, yeah, if we don't recover from this low, I can honestly see us hitting some type of sell side liquidity down here, because we're either going to push through it and close down here for the week, or we're going to push all the way down here to retest and push up and not close bearish engulfing. And that's on US30. Now let's look at our daily. Our daily down here looks like it has closed with a bullish engulfment. It did not take out any sell side liquidity, but like I said, it could close up with a bullish engulfment here. We have this fair value gap that's already been rejected from before. So once we get up to this 46,700 level, I would probably make sure of not taking buys in that zone until we have solid closure above this, and then, take some, it would probably be safe to take buys. We'll go down to our 4-hour though, but we're going to look at on futures. Futures here, we're rejecting down here pretty smoothly. We're at another 4-hour bearish engulfment, and we have a fair value gap right here as well too. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do see some reaction of price pushing down to that fair value gap. Given reaction, this should trail back down some more, and if we are going to remain bearish, just push on down further. And this is where I could probably see it pushing down for the sell side target for the week, if it wants to go ahead and continue on for sells. Okay, like I said before, this is probably going to be for the first half of the week. This could be done in probably a fucking 2 days, maybe, with this type of range. You could probably do this. You could probably do this by Wednesday, and then Wednesday be the midweek reversal. Boom. So we could probably be down here by Wednesday. Okay, that's possible. But I wouldn't be surprised that we react bullishly off of this to then give a double top right here, respecting that order block. Okay. That's pretty much what I'm looking at for US30. If you guys have questions about it, go ahead and, of course, shoot me a message on Instagram, or you can go ahead and message me in the Discord if you are a part of the community. But let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing. Let's go to gold. We're going to look at the monthly on gold real fast first. All right, not really much to talk about. Let's go to the weekly. All right, weekly here did react to a bullish fair value gap here. We did not make a bottom wick there, but this did wick down to take out that sell side liquidity there. Cool. Let's look at our daily to see if we're holding up a floor or if we're going to be bearish here, because we do have a daily fair value gap right here. All right, pay attention to that. All right, and then I'm actually going to put this on my futures chart as well too. Oh, it's already on my futures chart. Oh, what do you... This is I think this is last week. This is last week's analysis, which is hilarious. Okay, last week's analysis is actually still following. So we started here, we did come down, we did come up to here, now we came back down. We're respecting this inverted fair value gap. So I assume that we're probably going to go ahead and push back up some more. Let's just go ahead and continue on with last week's analysis, because it's following the script. So that's going to be that. But if you guys have any questions here, this would be what the sell side looks like. It has to break through this whole zone right here and everything, and then sell down some more. But if you guys want more about the analysis from last week, of course, you can go ahead and watch last week's video. We had a cool vlog with that one as well too, went to Cortland Island. And yeah. But yeah, if you guys need anything, of course, reach out to me on Instagram at king_of_Rome or at Tapped In Academy. You guys can use the link down in the description down below. You can have 7 days trading with me live, where you can trade these markets that you're watching with me for the next 7 days. All right. So, guys, peace out. See you guys next time.